Welcome back to Bikes Explained, your trusted source for all things two wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj Avenger Street 220, a cruiser that continues to dominate the streets with its classic charm and subtle updates. If you're considering a laid-back ride with muscle cruiser styling, this is a bike worth knowing about. Design and styling. Timeless cruiser aesthetics. The 2025 Avenger Street 220 retains its low-slung, laid-back design with some fresh refinements. The matte black and dark-themed color palette continues, giving it a stealthy, urban look. New graphics and subtle tweaks to the headlamp cowl and alloy wheels give it a modern touch without losing its cruiser DNA. Engine and performance. Familiar power with BS 6.2 compliance. Under the hood, the Street 220 is powered by the same 220 cubic centimeters DTSI oil-cooled engine, now fine-tuned for the latest BS 6.2 emission norms. It still produces around 18.8 PS of power and 17.5 Nm of torque, delivering a smooth, torque-rich experience ideal for city cruising and short highway bursts. The 5-speed gearbox remains unchanged, offering predictable shifts and decent mileage. Comfort and ride quality. Built for the long haul. What sets the Avenger apart is its comfort. The wide handlebar, forward-set foot pegs, and cushy low-slung seat make long rides effortless. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks up front and twin shocks at the rear, tuned for comfort over rough patches and speed bumps. Features and updates. Minimal but functional. Bajaj hasn't gone overboard with tech, and that's part of the appeal. The 2025 model includes a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED DRLs, a small digital readout for essential info, and hazard light functionality. While it lacks Bluetooth or navigation, what it offers is reliable and easy to use. Pricing and final thoughts. Value for the easy rider. The 2025 Avenger Street 220 is expected to be priced just under 1 Indian rupee. 50 lakh, ex-showroom, making it one of the most affordable cruisers in the segment. It may not be flashy or tech-loaded, but it delivers where it matters: comfort, style, and relaxed performance. If you're in the market for a no-nonsense cruiser, the Avenger 220 still stands tall. Outro: subscribe to Bikes Explained. That's it for today's breakdown of the 2025 Bajaj Avenger Street 220. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bikes Explained for more honest insights into the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.